Congratulations on your new Permasteel cooler. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for assembly that you can easily do at home. In addition to the contents of your product's box, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. We recommend choosing a level, protected surface for working. Laying down a blanket, for example, can prevent scratches to the product during assembly. We also recommend reviewing the detailed safety and assembly instructions that can be found in your product's use and care guide. Let's get started. We recommend using protective gloves. Carefully open the box with a utility knife. As we opened a lot of boxes, we've learned that it's sometimes easier to put the box on its side, open the bottom of the box, fold the cardboard flaps back, put the box back on its base, and then slide it up to give access to all the contents. Remove all of the parts and lay them out according to the diagram in your use and care guide. Step 1. Turn the basin of your cooler upside down and loosely attach all 4 legs to the body with the socket bolts and washers. Don't fully tighten the bolts at this stage. Legs should be loose so they can be aligned with the holes on the bottom shelf in the next step. Step 2. Attach the bottom shelf to the legs with 4 more socket bolts and washers. Now you can tighten all the bolts left loose in Step 1. Insert and thread the casters with brakes on one side and the casters without brakes on the other. Step 3. Attach the body handles to the body of the cooler using 4 bolts for each handle. Then tighten with the Allen wrench. Step 4. Attach the bottle opener to the cooler using the 2 bolts and then tighten with the Allen wrench. Then attach the cap catcher to the cooler by sliding it down over the 2 pre-installed bolts. Step 5. Remove the lid knobs that are pre-attached to the underside of the lid, then reassemble them on the lid right side up. Now you're all set and ready to enjoy your new cooler. If you need any additional details, please refer to your use and care guide, which can also be found online at permasteel.life.